Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Oh, hold on, there's a mess in here. And welcome back to my channel. I thought it would be cool to go over an updated curly hair routine. So let's get right to it.
So as you could tell, my hair needs a little bit of TLC. I start off by scalp massaging with this Treat Hair and Scalp Oil by Josie's Curls. I do this for a few minutes and I also apply it to the rest of my hair. Today I'm clarifying my curls, so I'm using this inexpensive VO5 Kiwi Lime clarifying shampoo. It does have sulfates in it, so I only do this about once a month. I'm using it just to make sure to get all that extra stuff out of my hair. Sometimes sulfate-free shampoos don't get everything out, and it's good to clarify with a sulfate shampoo once in a while. So this shampoo is phenomenal. I really recommend it, and it's like super cheap, so it always gets the job done. I also scalp massage because I feel like I need that little extra, how do I say it? I just need that extra help to get rid of everything on my scalp. I'm using Not Your Mother's Tahitian Gardenia conditioner. I also have the shampoo for this one, which I use when I don't clarify. So yes, this conditioner is phenomenal. I love it because it has a lot of slip and it just makes the combing process so much easier. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I leave it on my hair for about like 3 minutes, and great stuff. Great stuff. And always make sure to dry your hair with a t-shirt.
My hair got kind of dried, so I'm gonna re-wet it. It's always best to make sure your hair is like soaking wet when you apply products, so that is just a tip to have in mind. So I'm using the Twist curl cream. Pretty good stuff. I just apply a little bit because it is super thick, so just like about that much. If you have tighter curls, then I would recommend you use a little bit more, about again this much. Rake the product in and kind of like slide it in like this, just to make sure it's like all of my hair is coated. I started doing something different about a year ago, and I started like layering my hair. It's gonna be hard in the video because I usually do it in the shower with my head down but I'm just gonna try to do it in sections. I'm just gonna grab this chunk of hair here and hopefully it stays, because I have a hard time having my hair okay, so there. We have a layer of hair here. Re-wet. I re-wet my hair and I brush it just so you could get the curling cream in there. And I'm kind of gonna do this like underhand method, like this. I hope it makes sense, but I just do this. I just like comb the product in. I know I'm doing it a little bit different because I do it in the shower, but I just do this to make sure like the curl cream is coated. I mean, not curl cream's coated. My hair's coated well, or it's like the product is dispersed evenly. It's gonna like scrunch in some gel. Again, Twist products are phenomenal. These products are by Ouidad, and if you don't, Ouidad makes really good curling products, but I really like this like Target line they have. Not Target, but like this Twist line. It's pretty good. This gel is my favorite gel of all time. This is my favorite gel. So I just grab a little bit. I'm just gonna like stand up, guys. Just grab about a quarter size, and I'm just gonna like scrunch it in. We're just gonna put our fingers through like that and then shake and then flip our hair and move it around. So I'm just gonna let it air dry for like a couple of minutes, and then I'm gonna try to diffuse it. Okay, it's been like a few minutes of it air drying. Alrighty, so we are done. I'm just going to apply some hair oil. This is the one I'm currently using. It's just the Trader Joe's hair serum. It does have the methicone in it, which is a silicone, which is not the best for curly hair, but I'm just using it up. But next time I will get myself some jojoba oil. That is definitely the best hair oil you can get, and the Trader Joe's one is phenomenal. So yeah, let's go ahead and maybe just 2 pumps. Let's kind of break the cast. I'm gonna flip my hair over. And I think we are finished. We are finished with my hair routine. Oh my gosh, it actually hasn't looked this good in a while. I think it's the fact that I clarified my hair that it looks really looks better. But this is my curly hair routine, guys. This is my curly hair. I'm in love with my curls. I am in love with my curls because once upon a time I had straight hair, and I think I have my story up in YouTube and how it got curly. But yeah, let's look at it from the back. Ooh! Yes, girl, yes. Don't mind my broad shoulders. I'm learning to love those too. All right, that's enough, Leslie. But yeah, that was my curly hair routine. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you would like more videos, let me know. I think I pretty much covered a lot of like curly hair tips that I can on this channel. I know the videos are pretty old, but I will be glad to create more and create more updates. But yeah, I hope you found it helpful. I will link the products down below. Any questions, please comment down below. And if you got friends with curls, let them know too. Share this video with them, and please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful and you really liked it and you kind of vibed with me. I'm also into skincare, and I'm also trying to update the channel and make it more about self-love and self-discovery. So if you're interested in that, hit that subscribe button. There's more coming. All right. And remember what I always used to say, stay true to yourself by staying curly. But I mean, if you want to look different another day, that's the advantage of us curly heads. So yeah, if you want to do that, just do it. All right, bye-bye.